afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2018 English Objective Past question number 66. And to this question, the instruction says choose from the options lettered A to E the one that most appropriately completes each sentence. This instruction is applicable to question number 41 that we have answered to question number 70. And this question is set from what we call speech. There's a topic in English class called speech, and under speech we have what we call direct speech and indirect speech. Take note of that. So the question covers direct and indirect speech. Now the direct speech under question number 66 says, I have been living in Spain for quite some time, he said. Then the indirect speech now say, he said that he dash living in Spain for quite some time. Now we have to look out for the correct verb of time. Remember, under the class of verb we have different classes of verb or adverbia. Let's say adverbia rather. We have classes of adverbia. We have adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of frequencies, and also and so forth. So we have this. So I have been living in Spain for quite some time, he said. Then he said that he dash living in Spain for quite some time. Option A, had been. B, has been. C, have been. D, is. E, was. Now first and foremost, the statement did not tell us if the speaker actually change environment, so we cannot use force. Say I've been living. So living here, the verb living here tells us that it is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. That is what this living is telling us. Present continuous tense, not past tense. So since it is present continuous tense, then the indirect speech will now be, he said he has been living in Spain for quite some time. And that option, that will be what? Option B. He said that he has been living in Spain for quite some time. So option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.